Ulan udah nge-record?
Udah.
Udah sok. Bismillah. Mulai ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, my group and I would like to discuss about reading comprehension 3. The title of the text, Normal Pregnancy, is characterized by systematic activation of the complement system. Let me introduce myself. My name is Silpi Pitria. In this group, there are Hafsah Kinwapa, Wulan Gunaristi, Nurul Fitri, and Widya Salma. First of all, I would like to explain about part of the text. The first paragraph is background, the second paragraph is method, the third paragraph is result, and the last paragraph is conclusion. Okay, the next part, my group will answer the question based on the test. Let's start with the first question. Is there someone to answer the first question?
I want to answer the first question.
Yeah.
How is pregnancy characterized? Pregnancy is characterized by a generalized activation of the innate immune system. We can see in line 4, paragraph 1.
Okay, thank you. The next, is there someone want to answer the second question?
I want to answer the question number 2. What was the purpose of this study? This study was conducted to determine whether or not normal pregnancy is associated with complement activation in the maternal circulation. We can see in line 4 to 6, paragraph 1.
Okay, thank you. Next, is there someone want to answer the third question?
I want to try to answer again. What is the conclusion of study? Normal human pregnancy is associated with evidence of complement activation as determined by higher concentration of the anaphylatoxin C3A, C4A, and C5A in the maternal circulation, and we propose that physiologic activation of the complement system during pregnancy is a compensatory mechanism aimed at protecting the host against infection.
Okay. Next, is there someone want to answer the fourth question?
I will answer the question number 4. We propose that psychologic activation. Paragraph 4. What does the underlined word refer to? The writer of the text. We can see in line 2, paragraph 4.
Okay, thank you. Next, is there someone want to answer the last question?
I want to answer the last question. This study was conducted to determine whether normal pregnancy. What is the similar meaning of the underlying word? Analyze, branch of knowledge, learn.
Okay, thank you, Ulan.
Welcome.
In this part, Widya and Nurul will explain about the vocabulary. Team is yours.
Innate immunity, imun bawaan. Sistem pertahanan ini pertama tumbuh yang membantu pengenalan terhadap antigen asing dan memainkan peran penting dalam aktivitas sistem imun adaptif. Placental inflammation, plasenta, berfungsi untuk mengalirkan darah yang membawa dari ibu ke janin dan sebaliknya, juga berfungsi melindungi janin dari bakteri. Antiphospholipid, antifosfolipid adalah gangguan autoimun yang menyebabkan darah mudah membeku dan menggumpal, biasa disebut darah kental. Antibody syndrome, sindrom antibodi, gangguan saat sistem kekebalan tubuh yang secara keliru menyerang protein yang normal dalam darah.
The next vocabulary is complement activation. Meaning of complement activation is sistem komplement, adalah protein dalam serum darah yang bereaksi berjenjang sebagai enzim untuk membantu sistem kekebalan seluler dan sistem kekebalan humoral untuk melindungi tubuh dari infeksi. The next vocab is maternal circulation, means sirkulasi maternal. Di dalamnya terdapat sirkulasi perdarahan janin. And then anaphylatoxin. Meaning of anaphylatoxin is anaphylatoxin adalah fragmen protein yang terbentuk saat sistem komplement teraktivasi. And the last meaning of gestational age is usia kehamilan. Perhitungan yang digunakan sebagian besar dokter untuk menghitung jatuh tempo dan didasarkan pada hari pertama haid terakhir. Okay, thank you. It's all about vocabulary.
Okay, thank you, Nurul. The conclusion in our discuss, there are 3 parts. The first part explain about part of text. There are background, method, result, and conclusion. The second part, we try to answer the question related the text. And the last part, we try to explain about vocabulary. Okay, thank you very much. It's all about our discuss in morning about reading comprehension 3 entitled the text. Normal pregnancy is characterized by systematic activation of the complement system. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.